I think being a student at the University of Edinburgh has been a really well-rounded experience. There's so many different opportunities to get involved with. There's always amazing courses provided by the Institute for Academic Development, and then there are societies, and these put on social events, but also lots of talks. There are endless amounts of seminar series in the different buildings, and you're invited to go and see all of them. So I think all of these different opportunities are working together to really give you everything you need to progress both personally and academically.
The thing I enjoy most about being a PhD student at Edinburgh is the fact that my programme is very multidisciplinary. So we have people that study the liver, the heart, the lung and the brain, and so it's nice because when we come together we see how people in different fields do their research and we can apply it to our own research.
In my PhD, I feel like I've been really supportive. I have an amazing, enthusiastic and supportive supervisor, and she's really helped guide me through my project and helped me with all the ups and downs of science. But being in Edinburgh, there's so many different centres that all work together, and in fact you learn to get to know all the different people from the different centres. So I feel the support comes when you just discuss your science over lunch, for example. I'm also on the tissue repair PhD programme, and within that we have a really close-knit peer group, and we all get together on a weekly basis. We have a peer support session, and then there's also the tissue repair away day. So there's all these organised events that keep you really in communication with your peers and with other scientists, and it's a very supportive work environment.